So we are here in Arca South in Taguig City to check this new foreclosed condo unit here in Arbor Lanes. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go and check this out. This is 8th floor, Unit 8G. So this is the unit. This is 171 square meters total floor area. And this is the living area with balcony and facing amenity area or the swimming pool. So we have bedroom 1 here, ensuite bathroom, floor to ceiling windows, and facing amenity area or the swimming pool. Then we have AC unit, built-in cabinets. We also have AC unit here in the living area. And we have this room is the laundry area. We have servants or maid's quarter here with cabinet. And toilet and bath. Then kitchen area. So as you can see, meron pang plastic cover yung cooktop natin. So the unit has never been lived in or used. And then this is the other bedroom. Again, ensuite bathroom. Floor to ceiling windows. Facing amenity area and with built-in cabinets. And AC unit. And then we have a common bathroom here, or the powder room. And then this is the primary room or the master's bedroom with walk-in closet. And then ensuite bathroom, his and her. AC unit, floor to ceiling windows, and facing the park or the swimming pool. So this is around 46 million or 253,000 per square meter. And this is for bidding. And it comes with a tandem parking or back-to-back parking or 2 parking slots. So if you are interested, this is as is where is. And mode of payment is cash or at least 5% spot down payment upon approval of our bid and 95% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. Wow, laki ng gym nila. Complete with weights and cardio. machines.
Stay to the right to Aka. Then at the roundabout, take the first exit on Aka Boulevard East.
Dapat tuloy-tuloy lang. Hindi masyadong obvious.
Oh, good job.
At the roundabout, take the first exit on Aka Boulevard East.
Sir, in other news, we have a new couple. New couple sports a radiant smile as the couple lean against an old wooden fence in the middle of what appears to be an open field.
Yan ang walang type. Kasi she was with Hugh Grant
For a long time.
and then Billy Ray Cyrus, like sobrang you don't know.
Her type.
Wala siyang type. Parang it could be any kind of person. Pero like, she probably likes them older. Well, she's older na rin kasi.
Older na rin.
Kumbaga, and when she was with Hugh, what was Hugh? So, you know,
Sino older? Si Hugh Grant?